Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. And here's how it is done. Solution 1. Ensure you meet Facebook's eligibility criteria. Open the Facebook app and go to the menu. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Open Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Select birthday and verify that you are over 18. If you are under 18, you can update your date of birth by tapping Edit. After updating, check if Marketplace becomes available. Solution 2. Update your Facebook app. Open the App Store or Play Store. Search for Facebook in the search bar. If the app shows an update button, tap it to install the latest version. After updating, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Clear Facebook app cache. Open the Facebook app. Go to the menu and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Browser in the Preferences section and tap it. Under Browsing Data, tap Clear to clear the app's cache. Solution 4. Contact Facebook Support. If the issue persists, contact Facebook Support. Open the Facebook app and go to the menu. Scroll down and tap Help and Support. Select Report a Problem. Then choose Marketplace. Describe your issue and send the report. That's everything you need to know about how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. May I help you ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.